Today I'm going to show you how to use the brand new Cricut Roll Holder. This is an optional accessory for the Maker 3 and Explorer 3 machines. It has a place for a roll of smart material, a trimmer, as well as printed guides. The guides line up with the lower tray guides on the machines itself. The channels along the back will slide right over those machine guides. To attach the Cricut Roll Holder, simply align the markings with the machine guides and slide forward. If you try and shift the roll holder side to side and it doesn't budge, you have it on correctly. To load a roll of smart materials, place it into the holder as shown. Then take the leading edge and feed it under the top of the roll holder. Make sure the trimmer is all the way to the left. If it's not, your material won't load. Continue sliding your material forward until it's under the feed guides on the machine. You will then need to click the flashing button to fully load the material. Once the material is loaded, it will automatically begin to pre-measure for your project. When the material is fed backward toward the starting position, you may need to use your hands to gently guide it back onto the roll. Once your project is measured, you can start the machine cutting. When your project is complete, use the trimmer before unloading your material. You can then unload the material to assemble your project.